Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a two-tiered, like pastel squares cake, and it has a special design on the top that is specific to the LDS Young Women's like new medallion. So I'm making this for a Young Women's activity where a lot of people are invited. So let's get started.
My inspiration comes from a booklet called For the Strength of Youth. I'm using this for inspiration with the squares and color scheme. This is the new medallion for the young women, which was also an inspiration. The flavors I took from the preferences of the girls. This is 6-inch vegan chocolate cake with raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream. I also filled the cake with fresh raspberries. I frosted the cake with raspberry buttercream. Then I chilled the cake and made the next tier. I covered a piece of cardboard cut to size and covered in aluminum foil. This is a 4-inch vegan chocolate cake and raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream, also filled with fresh raspberries. Then I frosted both tiers again. Then I rolled out white fondant and covered the bottom tier with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some turquoise fondant and covered the top tier with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I put some dowels in the bottom tier, cutting them to the same height as the cake, and I stacked the top tier on the bottom tier. I used 2 different sizes of square cutters, one kind of medium-sized and another smaller. I rolled out some turquoise fondant and my daughter helped me cut out some squares for the cake. I placed some of the larger squares onto the side of the bottom tier and the smaller squares onto the top of the bottom tier. And I did the same thing with pink fondant, except I also placed some small squares onto the top tier. And I did the same thing with yellow fondant. I apologize for having this part be out of frame, but I traced the design of the medallion on top of the cake. And I painted it on with gold edible paint. And I went over the gold again with edible paint. I am so proud of this cake. I think it turned out gorgeous and is really true to the inspiration. And we had a lovely New Beginnings activity for the young women. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.